Roswell Flight Test Crew back here at AMA Expo 2015, and I'm talking to Daniel Sandoval of XHover. How you doing, Daniel?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing real good, thanks. Now, people may be familiar with your MXP230 little racing quad here. That's the point here, is the racing quad?
Yeah, the racing quad is taking off. Everybody wants to get the little racing quads going.
And this is an extremely stout design, but you've got something new that's coming out here. Why don't you tell us about that?
We have the XHover 300 coming out soon. It should be available next month. The difference with this one, it's going to have more power. You're going to have more room for more components, GPS, waypoints, everything. Everybody wants to cram everything in that one. So that's why we decided to make this bigger quad so they can cram everything in there but still have the same power. The other unique factor is going to be foldable, so it's going to have thumb screws. You just unloosen them, and it's going to be able to fold. And we're also going to have this case available for it.
A Go Professional case there.
Professional, yes.
You've got something with those screws so that it sort of locks in, so if you hit a tree or something, your limb's not going to fold up. How does that work?
Yeah, we have an insert here, so it just clicks down. And once it's set in there, even if the thumb screw were to come loose, it's not going to fold back in flight, so you're not going to have that problem of it folding back and hitting the props and causing you to crash.
Is these limbs are, did you say 6 millimeter?
6 millimeter thick, and tested that quad out. We've thrown it up in the air and tried to break it, and we just can't break those arms. That's how we designed it, just to be extremely durable and fun.
You can see that camera's taking a few hits. This isn't sort of theoretical for you. You're out there tearing it up with this thing.
Yeah, I've actually redesigned this about 15 times, making sure that when a customer gets it, they're not going to have a broken arm, broken middle plate, or something like that. And as you can see by the camera, yeah, it's taken some crashes and a lot of beating. It just keeps on going, replace the props, and keeps on going.
So, most important question is going to be out next month. What are you looking at in batteries and flying time?
Batteries we've been using on this, you can use a 3S. If you want more power, go with the 4S, 2200 up to a 3200. And 3200 is going to give you a lot more flight time. You'll probably be looking at around 10 to 13 minutes. 2200 about 7 to 8 minutes.
All right. And then what's the cost going to be on this unit, and what does it come with?
Retail cost for this unit is still to be determined, but it's going to come with the power distribution board, LED lights, red in the back, blue in the front, battery stopper, all carbon fiber. It's going to be potentially stronger than the 6 millimeter G10. So I'll be surprised if someone breaks these. Yeah.
So your little guy, the 230 here, what does this sell for?
That one sells for $129, just the kit alone. If you want the carbon fiber, it's $149. And
that's not bad, but it comes with the kit, so you're putting it together yourself.
It comes with the kit and power distribution board as well, so everything's easy to solder on there.
Well, can we take your new baby out to the cage and let Techenstein fly it?
Yeah, definitely. I want you guys to try this one out. Let me know how you like it. Maybe do some crashes in there. See what happens.
This thing is twitchy. It wants to go now. It's in stability mode, and it's I don't know how high this is set for a roll, but it's a lot higher than normal. So it goes fast. It's got tons of power. Am I scaring you?
A little.
The yaw authority is set very, very light though, so very smooth, very slow. So you're not going to be doing much with that. This cage is way too small for this aircraft. Yeah, the pitch and roll rate is so aggressive, but it is fast. It feels solid though. It really is a smooth flyer if you're just sitting there in place, but this is a NACE 32 controller, so it doesn't have the kind of automatic barometric hold that the NASA has, but then again, you don't want that with this aircraft. This is a whole different kind of flying. Altogether. This is entirely different kind of flying. Altogether.
Apparently that is what it's made for.
Yeah. It's made to crash, change your props, and have fun.
Okay, so Daniel, give us the damage report following that impact.
Damage, I think just 3 props.
3 props?
Just replace them and you can fly again, but
Okay, so I feel horrible for crashing his little aircraft here, but you just told me it's on some kind of mode where it's not full attitude. It's kind of, if you pull the stick too far, it flips anyway. I did not know that, but that's a cool feature. You know, out in the open, this would be a wonderful aircraft. I bet you that'd be a lot of fun to do flips in the air and know it's going to recover automatically. That's very cool. You know, and it took the hit. I was like, uh-oh, I broke it. But just a couple props. It's a cement, mind you, pretty hard, and, well, it's in perfect condition, so I'm happy at least about that. Well, thank you, Daniel, for letting me crash your aircraft.
No problem, anytime.
Well, this is Roswell Flight Test Crew from AMA 2015 Expo, signing off.